Welcome to Study Loop.
Hey everyone, today we're solving problem number 22 from chapter 16 of the textbook, which is a critical thinking question asking us to which policy or which types of customers would need a policy with higher copay and then which would need higher premium with low copay. So essentially the insurance companies for healthcare, what kind of plan would they offer to what kind of people? So let's read this little section from your textbook. It says, if their insurance premiums are set at actuarially fair levels so that people end up paying an amount that accurately reflects their risk group, certain people will end up paying considerable amounts. For example, if health insurance companies were trying to cover people who already have a chronic disease like AIDS or who are elderly, they would charge these groups with very high premiums for health insurance because their expected healthcare costs are quite high. So those who are going to get a high premium are going to be people who need to very regularly go visit the doctor because they don't want to have to pay that high copayment every time. So typically you have higher copayments with lower premiums and deductibles, and then with higher premium healthcare plans, you have lower copays and lower deductibles. So for high premium healthcare plan, they mentioned people who have chronic diseases. So customers with chronic diseases like AIDS are going to want to probably get a high premium health plan. The elderly, because their life is most at risk. So chronic diseases, the elderly. Um, Pregnant women, because that pregnancy, it lasts 9 months, so that's a substantial amount of time. For women to have a plan with higher premiums because they're going to be making visits quite often. Pregnant women, elderly, pretty much, if you have like a big issue, like a big surgery, it's like athletes have Tommy John surgery a lot of times, that requires a lot of monitoring from a clinician or doctor. So big surgeries, those who have big surgeries, we need to go. So anything really big, I would say. Versus those who will go for the higher copayment will tend to have a lower premium. And these kinds of people are pretty healthy. But they may get frequent, regular checkups, like your annual physical, things like that. So frequent checkups. But obviously, not preparing for like a chronic disease, maybe minor diseases, like if you have a sore throat or something like that. Something that doesn't need to be monitored by a doctor too often. So those with minor diseases can also get higher copays. Again, think high premium probably means lower copays and lower deductibles versus higher copayments and higher deductibles means lower premium. And obviously with a lower premium, it's just how it sounds. Your healthcare plan offered by an insurance company will be for, frequent visits, regular checkups, and minor diseases, but it's typically for people who are in good shape. Whereas higher premiums are required for people with chronic diseases, pregnant women, the elderly, and those who really need big surgeries for especially like athletes who get hurt and have a very bad injury. They may want higher premiums. So there you have it. If you guys enjoyed my video explanation of this problem, please hit the like button next to it. I hope you all have a nice day, and thank you for watching.